Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, September 5th, 2024, we're diving deep into Intel Corporation's stock, INTC, to figure out where it might be headed. We'll start with a breakdown of recent news and events affecting the chipmaker, including reports of manufacturing setbacks and concerns about the broader economic climate. These issues have weighed heavily on Intel's stock price, causing a significant drop in recent days. Let's see if we can find any signs of a potential reversal or if the bearish sentiment is likely to continue. If we look at the daily chart for Intel, we can see a clear downtrend in recent months. The stock has been steadily declining from a peak around $40 in early November 2023. Notably, the stock has broken through key support levels, including the $30 level in May 2023 and the $20 level in August 2024. This suggests that the downward pressure on the stock is strong, and there's no immediate sign of a bullish reversal. Zooming in on the past few weeks, we can see the downward pressure becoming even more pronounced. The stock has been struggling to hold above the $20 level, and the recent break below this mark signals a strong bearish sentiment. It seems that investors are increasingly concerned about Intel's ability to compete in the ever-growing chip market. Let's see if the hourly chart offers any clues about short-term price movements. We can see a bit more volatility on the hourly time frame, with a few short-term rallies mixed in with the overall downtrend. The stock has been trading between $19.50 and $20.50 for most of the past week, but the recent break below $20 seems to be putting downward pressure on the stock. Looking at the last few hours of trading, we can see a slight rally, but it's too early to say if this is a significant reversal or just a temporary bounce. The stock seems to be testing the $20 level again, but it's unclear if it will be able to hold above it. We need to see more sustained price action before we can make any confident predictions about a potential rebound. Let's delve deeper into the 15-minute chart to examine the most recent price action and look for any signs of strength. We can see the stock has been struggling to maintain momentum above $20. It seems that every attempt to rally has been met with selling pressure, pushing the stock back down towards the $19 level. This suggests that the bearish sentiment is still in play. As we've seen, the recent news about Intel's manufacturing setbacks has been a major catalyst for the stock's decline. The failure of its most advanced manufacturing process has raised concerns about the company's ability to compete with its rivals, like TSMC and Samsung, on the leading edge of chip technology. This could potentially hamper Intel's future growth and profitability, making investors wary. Additionally, the overall economic uncertainty and concerns about a potential recession are adding to the pressure on Intel's stock. Investors are looking for safer havens during periods of economic turmoil, and technology stocks, often perceived as riskier, are likely to suffer during such times. Intel's stock price may reflect this broader economic sentiment, adding to its downward trajectory. In conclusion, the current price action for Intel paints a bearish picture, with the stock facing significant downward pressure. The recent break below key support levels and the continued selling pressure on any rallies suggest that the bearish sentiment is likely to persist in the short term. While a short-term bounce cannot be ruled out, the overall trend remains negative, and investors should be wary. However, there are a few key factors to watch for that could potentially shift the sentiment towards bullish. First, if Intel manages to address its manufacturing challenges and demonstrate progress in its technology roadmap, it could restore investor confidence, leading to a price rebound. Second, a positive economic outlook with less fear of a recession could also benefit Intel's stock. In terms of key price levels to watch, the $20 level remains a significant resistance zone. The stock has been unable to break above it in recent days, and a sustained move above this level would be a sign of a potential bullish reversal. However, the $19 level now serves as support, and a break below this level could lead to further declines. It's important to note that the likelihood of these price predictions coming true depends on the news flow and investor sentiment. If the news surrounding Intel improves, with positive updates on its manufacturing technology or a more favorable economic outlook, the stock could rebound. However, if the negative news continues, with more setbacks or a worsening economic climate, the stock is likely to face further declines. Overall, Intel remains a stock to watch closely. With the ongoing headwinds, investors should be cautious in the short term. However, Intel's long-term prospects are not entirely bleak, and the potential for a comeback exists. Keep an eye on the news and chart patterns and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. This analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Remember, always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.